Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply to the Kolkata Municipal Corporation step by step. First, you will need to visit the official Kolkata Municipal Corporation website. This is your primary gateway for accessing a wide range of services, from property tax payments to building plan approvals. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and about 30 minutes to 1 hour set aside for the initial process. It's a straightforward journey, and will guide you through each stage. Once on the KMC portal, your first step is to register for a new user account if you do not already have one. This involves providing basic details like your name, email address, and a valid mobile number. You will then receive a one-time password, or OTP, to verify your registration. After successful login, you can browse through the various services offered and select the one relevant to your application. With your service selected, you will proceed to fill out the detailed online application form. It is crucial to provide accurate information in every field. Next, you will upload all necessary supporting documents. Common formats include PDF or JPEG, and there's usually a size limit, often around 2 megabytes per file. Double-check all your entries and uploaded files to avoid any discrepancies or rejections later on. The penultimate step involves making the required payment for your chosen service. The portal typically offers several secure online payment options, such as net banking, credit cards, or debit cards. After a successful transaction, you will receive a payment confirmation. Finally, submit your application. Remember to save your unique application reference number. It's essential for tracking your application status and for any future communication with the Kolkata Municipal Corporation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.